Well, thank you so much for joining me today. I just wanted to ask you a few questions, okay?
Okay.
All right. So, how was your process like so far going solar?
Well, it's been so far, it's been okay with me. I've My electricity bill's gone down uh, quite a bit. Now, the gas is a different story, but the electricity is down quite a bit.
Amazing. Now, how did you hear about us initially?
There was a link sent to my inbox account, and that's how I got to get a hold of the part. I think the party was in California that I got a hold of.
Perfect. Yes, sir. Now, would you recommend any of your friends or neighbors to go with green home systems?
Yes, I would.
Great. Now, why did you initially decide to go solar?
Well, I wanted to lower my electricity bill since I'm on a fixed income.
Perfect. And it did get lower.
They did get lower, yes.
Amazing. Well, thank you so much for your time, and I really appreciate you answering some of my questions today.
Thank you so much.